In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Turbotax Premium in just 5 minutes. Now, tackling this task might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. To start, you'll need to visit the Turbotax official website. So open up your preferred web browser and navigate to turbotax.intuit.com. This is the homepage where we can begin the process of managing your account settings. Once you've reached the Turbotax website, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not currently logged in, you'll need to enter your Turbotax account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll need these to access your personal account information. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Turbotax homepage. Here is where the journey really begins. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, navigate to the section of the page that displays your account options. You're looking for a button or link that refers to your Intuit account. Click on that and it will lead you to a new page with detailed views of your account settings and preferences. Now that you're on the Intuit account page, look for the Manage Subscription option. This can sometimes be overlooked as it's not featured prominently, so keep an eye out. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. This section is designed to help you adjust, modify, or in our case, remove your current subscription settings. At this point, you'll want to proceed to Products and Billing. Clicking here is crucial as it takes you directly to the place where all your subscription details are stored. In this section, you'll see an overview of your existing subscriptions, and this is where you can make changes to them, like removing Turbotax Premium. You may have to provide a reason for cancellation or confirm your decision, so be prepared for 1 or 2 additional prompts. And that's it. This straightforward process will help you easily remove the Turbotax Premium. Even though it's a simple task, make sure you've covered each step to ensure there is no oversight. I hope this guide has been beneficial and that you feel confident in managing your Turbotax subscriptions moving forward. Don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on how to efficiently manage your account settings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy account managing.